The derailment of a Norfolk Southern operated train on February 3, 2023, continues to be a growing disaster zone for the citizens of East Palestine, Ohio. According to government officials, 5 out of 38 cars carried chemicals and combustible materials, with vinyl chloride, a toxic flammable gas, being a major concern to EPA inspectors. Several rail cars burned for more than 2 days before emergency crews conducted a controlled burn of rail cars at the request of state officials, releasing hydrogen chloride and phosgene into the air. Residents within a 1-mile radius were immediately evacuated as emergency responses were initiated from nearly 70 Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania agencies. To get rid of the poisonous chemicals, technicians began a controlled burn that was later poured into trenches. The controlled burn produced a huge plume of phosgene gases and hydrogen chloride in a massive black cloud that was visible on meteorologists' radar. Director of the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, Mary Mertz, stated that the derailment potentially killed more than 43,000 fish, crustaceans, amphibians, and other marine life. State officials said that they have not seen deaths or any other negative effects on animals living on the land. East Palestine Mayor Trent Conaway hosted a town hall meeting for concerned East Palestinian citizens to speak with government, EPA, and Norfolk Southern officials. Norfolk Southern officials canceled their attendance to the East Palestine town hall meeting, though, citing safety concerns. The cancellation by Norfolk Southern officials outraged East Palestinian citizens who were left in the dark about the measures Norfolk Southern officials were taking to rectify the train spill.
There's a long line. This isn't the way this is supposed to go. We're going to have everybody go up in the stands. They can ask questions. We just hope everybody stays civil. If not, then we'll end it. But
how did you want it to go?
I wanted to be in the auditorium, in front of the stage, representing the citizens.
Peacefully.
Peacefully. They've said I've kept my mouth shut. I was here for the first 5 days, but the last 5 days I haven't been here. The reason I haven't been here has been working behind the scenes trying to get higher elected officials in here to help us out. I'm a mayor of a town of 4,700 people. If you think I can fight against a railroad or fight against the EPA or fight against anything like that, you're crazy. We're trying to get information out to our citizens. Everybody's concerned. I'm concerned. But, you know, it's not Norfolk Southern here. It's the EPA, the people that have been working with us, trying to get our citizens back into their homes safe. That's what we need right now. We need our citizens to feel safe in their own homes.
Norfolk Southern is being blamed for lobbying against railroad safety rules that could have lessened the severity of the train spill. A new lawsuit seeks to have the company pay for medical evaluations for East Palestinian locals. In the event that the leaking chemicals have long-term health consequences, government officials have reported that East Palestinian air and water are safe. Some East Palestinian citizens have reported health issues they didn't have prior to the crash, like headaches, dizziness, nausea, and bloody noses.
But they burned all the chemicals off of there, right?
That's what I heard, yeah.
Maybe off the top.
On February 25, 2023, federal teams from the EPA and the CDC were on the ground in East Palestine. CDC officials are going door to door passing out chemical exposure surveys, while EPA officials have said they have conducted over 574 home reentry screenings and are monitoring the air and water quality levels at 15 different stations to check for safety. EPA officials have also said they have stopped Norfolk Southern from disposing of waste from the derailment, citing safety and legal concerns.
People are concerned that, you know, once the cameras are out of here, that we won't stay here. So, you know, our commitment to you is we're going to continue to test. We're in this for the long haul, and I think, you know, we want to try to assure people that, you know, we're going to be around.